to my channel. Today, I am going to be telling my scoliosis story, and for those of you who don't know what scoliosis is, it is a curvature of the spine. And here's where my story begins. We found out that I had scoliosis in my teen years, and my parents gave me the option of getting the scoliosis operation done to have it fixed. But I was so afraid of it at first, but after a lot of thinking and weighing the pros and cons, I came to the decision that yes, it would be best for me to get it done, because it became so incredibly painful. My parents say that I was a different person because of the pain that I was in, and I was taking several medications just to deal with it. So, September 4th, 2015 came around. Surgery day. It took place at Toronto Western Hospital. My surgery was scheduled for 8 a.m. that morning, but there was a 4-hour delay because the OR fans needed to be fixed. So I got called back in to the OR at noon hour. While I was waiting, however, there were several people getting sent home, and their surgeries were getting canceled. And finally, at noon hour, when I went back in, the surgeon and his team went ahead to perform an 8.5-hour life-changing surgery. And 36 screws and 4 metal rods later, my back was straightened. As you can see here, this is a post-op x-ray. And when I got home, it was painful, but I managed much better than I did in the hospital. I gained some height too from this operation. I used to be 5'4", and I am currently 5'7", so I gained 3 inches. The things that helped me get through recovery were all of the visitors to keep my spirits up, the emails, phone calls, and get well cards. And people were bringing me treats non-stop. And I am going to slide in here now a pre-op x-ray because my scoliosis was about 42 degrees before having it fixed. I hope you guys liked hearing my scoliosis story. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to help me make a difference, please hit that big red subscribe button down below. And always remember, dreams are possible.